Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening.
We are going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. Well, I made some in the past, like last year, and I made them on TikTok, but they just weren't the cutest. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks like. But this year, I'm redeeming myself, and we're gonna make it look cute. Because TikTok could be like having like tons of like tricks on how to make your strawberries like cute and aesthetically pleasing. And we're gonna be trying all those out, and we're gonna try to make these strawberries very cute. So let's get started. I tried to make my fit like Valentine's Day, but I already have like a cute Valentine's Day outfit, but this is appropriate for the video. First, we're going to get into the ingredients. What exactly do you need for chocolate covered strawberries? Well, I'm going to tell you. You're going to need some cupcake little tin things, white chocolate or the chocolate chips of your choice, chocolate melts. The only kind that they had in the store was dark chocolate, so we're just gonna work with that. Kind of icing that you can put into like a piping bag, or like if you have a piping bag, you can put your chocolate in there. But I just prefer this because I love like cream cheese icing, and I feel like it would go really good with the dark chocolate. The optional, some wooden spears. Some kind of thing that can hold the strawberries and spears. So I just took a cardboard box and I just poked holes in it. A whole lot of strawberries. What, you can't have chocolate covered strawberries without strawberries?
One strike and you're out, baby. Don't care if I sound crazy, but you never let me down. No. See, when the sun's up, I'll stay. Still laying in your bed saying,
So here's the thing, you don't want your chocolate to harden. So while your chocolate's cooking on the stovetop, you are going to start putting the strawberries in the spears so that they're ready to just dip in. It's melting right now, and you have to constantly whisk it around. I have two separate whisks for each kind. Whoa, for each kind. And then I have these little bowls set aside so that I can put a little bit of chocolate at a time into here and dip the strawberries in there so that this is still on low cooking so the chocolate doesn't harden.
I hear a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river. Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch it, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy.
So the white chocolate did not melt right. So we're going to do dark chocolate with cream cheese icing on top. And that's going to be equally as good, so. Okay, so now the strawberries dried for about 5 minutes on the wooden spears. Now we're going to put them on these cupcake little holder things.
And no, I can't stand it being fake.
Okay, so here are all the strawberries I did. I couldn't do the white chocolate ones because it got too chunky, but I did do like 2 of these that are kind of like a marble effect. And now we are going to take the cream cheese icing and drizzle it across these.
They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing, but I don't know. The first step pleases the Father might be the hardest to take. When you come out of the water,
It's just the cutest strawberries.
But the way that we love in the night gave me life, baby, I can't explain. And the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. Too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing, but I don't know.
The first step pleases the Father might be the hardest to take. When you come out of the water.
Okay, so here are all the chocolate covered strawberries that I made.
It's just you and me, and there's nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.
These strawberries are literally so good. Cream cheese ice cream is the best part. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!